So as you can probably tell, it snowed just a little bit. This was all one day actually, it was all one night. And I did take the Forester out just to see how it handled. It handled great, but today we're gonna focus on Adrian's car. So he got it tuned and it is running perfectly now. He's having so much fun with this last snowfall. So I thought I'd do a little video of just cruising around today because it is pretty snowy. It's probably a foot of snow. So nothing's really changed on Snowflake, Adrian's 2006 STi. He did get it tuned, and when he got it tuned, he had them look over it, and they just went and fixed the valve seals. They were just leaking a little bit, so they fixed that. So now it is perfect, and if you remember about a year ago, we were pulling your motor, weren't we? So it took about a year, but Snowflake is all ready to go. So I think first we're just gonna get some drone shots or something and just cruise around, but I'm gonna mic up the car because, as you guys know, Adrian's STi is straight piped and it sounds absolutely amazing, and you can hear it from like a mile away, so I thought I might as well mic it up so we get that awesome Subi rumble. So everything's rigged up. I'm trying a new camera angle, we're gonna see how it works, but let's go for a cruise. So we're just cruising right now, and I'm behind Adrian probably a normal driving distance, and this thing sounds insane. Beautiful space here. No one's here. There's just one house. The dude's up there. He's took a picture and now he's probably going to report us. But all we're doing is taking pictures, guys, so I'm not sure what's the problem. So we're gonna park Adrian's car right in the center and take some pictures, get the drone out, and get some beautiful drone photography. So let's go park over there. I'm gonna have Adrian center it. Only in Alberta you'll see people snowmobiling down the street. Most places that would totally be illegal. It's legal here, but look at, we're the only ones that are right here, and we're gonna get some beautiful shots. I might just keep the camera rolling because I want to see how long it takes till the cops show up. we just shot some photos. You guys would probably be seeing that on the Schrader Laboratories Instagram page, and probably be seeing it maybe on Adrian's, I'm not sure. Hopefully they turned out well. Just because of the lens I'm using, it's the 1.1 aperture, so that means that it's super wide open, and I don't have an ND filter, a neutral density filter, so everything is just overexposed. Unless I crank it down, then I don't get as good bokeh, so it's kind of just messing around. So hopefully I got some good shots, but we didn't get the cops called on us because we were just taking pictures. He was watching us for a bit, but you know, at least we didn't get the cops called. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the drone up one more time, or actually you guys will be seeing this after I get the drone up or something like that, and we're gonna cruise out of here, and that's probably gonna be near the end. Maybe get some more cruising shots. The battery died on the exhaust recorder, so I'm not sure. We'll have to figure that one out and see if I can get a little more exhaust. That's how you park a Subaru. Just because there's a lot of snow in my tires, but Adrian has a little bit more. Adrian has a new wheel. It's actually freshly designed out of Canada, and it's just a white faceplate. It's like a turbofan, but it's not. Anyways, that is going to be it for today. I'm not really sure how this video is going to end up because I've just got a lot of clips here, there, a lot of randomness, but there is going to be some more of this kind of content later when we get some more snow. Hopefully go out when it's snowing and they're not plowing automatically, but we'll see. Maybe go to Mexico, have some fun in Mexico. But that is going to be it today, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out and stay humble.